makamano. Wadhi kaunti ma Homa Bay kama wayudo ni piny owacho ma Homa Bay komakore kod riwruok mar Zipline International Kenya osidho ayanga chenro mar keyo yedhe e ute thieth e yor lony mar drone ne ute thieth mayudore e kor gwenge kod chula mopogore opogore mantiere kaunti no ma Homa Bay. Director mar Zipline International Kenya Charles Kariuki kod Governor ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga osidho ayanga chenro no e od thieth ma Kitare e chung'od bura Masuba North. Riwruok makamano mabende koro biro bero kenge mag yudo chenro mag thieth e kaunti no ma Homa Bay. Kariuki owacho ni drones go biro chwalo yedhe, chanjo, remo kod gige thieth mamoko mabende dwarore e ute thieth go.
In Kenya, we have seen this idea to work, partnering with county governments to deliver vaccines, blood, and medicines quickly and consistently. Today, we bring the same proven model to Homa Bay County, building on our journey in Homa Bay. Our partnership here began by rethinking how we could bring HIV prevention and treatment to young people outside of the clinical setting. Together with the Elton John AIDS Foundation, EJAF, we have collaborated to pioneer a new decentralized service delivery model that brought HIV prevention and sexual and reproductive health services directly to young people. Through this next phase, Zipline will store and deliver essential medicines for everyday care, blood products for emergencies, all routine vaccines including malaria and HPV.
Governor ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga owacho ni chenro no geto bero chenro mag thieth e kaunti no kendo siro ute thieth mayudore kor gwenge kod chula go.
Over the past few years, our health system has made remarkable strides. However, persistent challenges have continued to confront us. Delayed medical supplies, difficulties in reaching remote island communities, and urgent needs for faster emergency responses. Today we take a bold step forward. We are investing in the future, a future powered by Zipline, the world's largest autonomous logistics system, to build a more resilient, equitable, and efficient healthcare system for our people. With Zipline's cutting-edge drone technology, Homa Bay becomes a leader in last-mile healthcare delivery in Kenya. This innovation means that essential medicines, vaccines, blood, and critical health commodities will now be delivered within minutes to our most remote communities. Zipline's drones, operating autonomously at high speeds and across vast distances, guarantee that no residence is too far to access life-saving supplies.